5 Best Keyboard Mouse Combos. Here is the product number 5. Wireless backlight keyboard with mouse. Wireless mini Russian keyboard with multimedia control keys and PC gaming control keys. Great for gaming, smart TVs, smartphones, and more. The touchpad mouse has a scrolling function, similar to a laptop touchpad. TPU keys are designed for comfortable typing. Color, black. Operational voltage, 3.7 volt. Here is the product number 4. Wireless portable keyboard and mouse. 2.4 GHz wireless ultra-thin desktop or laptop keyboard and mouse, mini size, ultra-thin modern design, looks very exquisite. Each mouse and keyboard set has the network ID set. The mouse adopts infrared AVL technology, more accurately and fluently. The mouse has strong adaptive surface finish, which is on white, black, red, smooth surface, etc. to work. The mouse can automatically match the ID. Here is the product number 3. Wireless keyboard with mouse. 2.4 GHz ultra-thin wireless desktop, laptop keyboard and mouse. Mini size, ultra-thin, fashionable design, looks very exquisite. The mouse adopts infrared AVL technology, more accurate and fluent. Every mouse and keyboard set has fixed networks ID. The mouse can automatically match with the ID, it is very convenient for use. The keyboard can be auto into sleep when idle. Here is the product number 2. Changeable LED keyboard and mouse combo. Brand name, Sago. Keyboard connection, wired. Mouse connection, wired. Products status, stock. Type class, game package. Applicable object, for game. Interface, USB. Warranty, 3 years. Suitable, household, games, laptops, office. 2.4 GHz ultra-thin wireless desktop, laptop keyboard and mouse. Here is the product number 1. SUNGI wireless keyboard and mouse combo. Brand name, SUNGI. Applicable object, for home office. Products status, stock. Mouse connection, wireless. Color, rose red or gold or silver. Interface, USB. Type, wireless, ergonomic, slim, standard. Keys number, 78 keys. Low profile, whisper quiet keys ensure comfortable and smooth typing. Check the description below for the link and more items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.